Of course, you know, I have to stop and check out the 57 AACA. This thing's so much fun. Sunroof. Frame off restoration, rebuilt everything. Yeah, it's funny, they put so much in and they leave some of the details out. But this is a solid little car, I like it. Asking 27 on her. Just a lot of fun. What I really want to stop by is because they have the engine exposed. That's a BMW engine. Really pretty neat, huh? And of course it's got the two tires in the rear. Those are 145 R10s. See how it goes? Neat. It actually has a little dip under there. Kind of cool. And the one thing is that, look at the air vent all the way front. Yes, you can see right through it. Again, 57 AACA. Garage full, there's always room for an AACA. Of course, we have a 1956 Messerschmitt. This one's interesting as a full convertible. He does have the bubble top for it, though. Really cool. Typical of the German micro cars. Everyone tried everything. This has a 4-speed sequential motorcycle transmission. It's rear-wheel drive with front-wheel steering, of course. See what we got there? I like the radio with the speaker over there. That's really cute. Now you see the rope over there? That's because the side door opens sideways and the whole thing picks up. So you need, that's the stop for it. 10 horsepower engine in the rear. Really outrageous little cars. Really outrageous. These are so much fun. Definitely nice. Definitely nice. Those are what, 10-inch? 8-inch. 8-inch tires. Sorry about that. Asking $52,000.